Welcome to Take a Leaper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix OBS Studio keeps crashing on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. So, to solve this, just go to the place where I've installed OBS. Just go to it and go inside OBS Studios, then just go inside bin, then go to 64-bit. And from here, you'll find the obs64.exe. Just right click on it, go to Properties, and then just go to the Compatibility tab. And from here, just make sure the Run this program as administrator is checked. And then just click on Apply, click on OK. Then just go to File Directory and copy the file directory. And after that, just close this. Then just go to your search and search for Settings. Then just open up Settings. Then just go to Systems. From here, just go inside Display, scroll all the way down. You're gonna find Graphic Settings over here. Just select this. And here, if you see OBS, just select OBS. And if you don't, just click on Browse. Then just go to your installation directory of OBS and select the obs64.exe and click on Add. And after that, you're gonna see OBS over here. After selecting it, just click on Option. From here, make sure to select the high performance mode, which is gonna use the best GPU you have, and click on Save. Then just close this. Then just go ahead and try opening OBS and it should not crash. And basically that is how to fix OBS Studio crashing on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.